For today's little adventure, we're going to be building the Lego Creator 3-in-1 set 31170. The set's called Flamingo, the pink flamingo, but we've already built the pink flamingo from this set on our channel, so we're going to make that cockatoo. So, it is, obviously my bag's already out, because I made the flamingo first, and just looking at it. So it isn't like okay, so if you look here on the box, the flamingo has the flowers, and even the axolotl has some coral. But the cockatoo does not have anything fancy like that. Sorry. But I am interested to see it. You guys can see the box there. Make it a little bit better. But yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna build the cockatoo. I'm excited about that. I think the head's supposed to rotate from what it says. We're gonna check that out. Anyway, let's start building. The cockatoo. See the tail moves, the wings shift a little bit back and forth. You can move them up, you can move them down. They don't really come out very much though. And the head can do a 360, which is kind of cool. Feathers can move around. So I mean, it's pretty cool. If you like cockatoos, it's great. If you like the color pink, it's great. So I like the design. I like the feet, got the talons, love that. of us sitting straight up. I love when things don't fall over. But anyway, so thank you for joining us for today's little adventure. Please join us for today's little adventure.